name is Tom Tresser. I'm a civic educator, activity champion, and public defender based in Chicago. I'm the lead organizer of something called the 100K Project, which is about getting 100,000 creative workers in the arts, sciences, and education, social services sectors to run for local office, and to do so as champions of science, law, equity, justice, peace, and creativity. The future that I imagine for democracy in America imagines hundreds of thousands of our peers. That means everyone who is submitting in this program, anyone who works in this program, anyone who's ever going to read anything that comes out of this program. My vision is that you are all leaders. We are all leaders. We are the leaders we've been waiting for. And that perhaps 10% of all of us will run for a local office and then serve and govern according to our values, experiences, and skills, bringing them into the public sector, solving problems that were previously deemed intractable, getting people together who never got together before, and creating, I would say, joy and celebration, and making government work for everybody. That is what I think we can do as creative workers who have stayed out of politics and have avoided discussions of power. Whereas the other side, the far right, has been placing people in office for 50 years. Just take a look at the Leadership Institute at leadershipinstitute.org. Founded in 1979 with an annual budget of over $45 million. They train thousands of people a year, and they put people into public life all over America in politics, civics, and religion. So my call to action, the vision that I see, is we are the leaders we've been waiting for. And it's you, the person watching this video. I'm talking to you. And so that's the work that I want to promote and do more of through this program. And I hope to gather more stories of doctors, artists, social workers, nurses, librarians, and scientists who have sought local office and are holding office, to tell their stories, to show how they are making their societies and their communities better. Thank you very much. Tom Tresser, tom@tresser.com or tresser.com.